Hey, my name is Jarrett. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of this 2-pack elbow brace. I was given this product to review clients that have tennis elbow or golfer's elbow. It does provide some relief for individuals that have pain regarding those conditions. You always want to make sure that you go to a medical professional to get diagnosed. I haven't opened this device yet, so let's take a look at it. Okay. So it comes in a little box here. This is what it looks like in the box. So we'll take it out. You're gonna put it on your forearm. You're gonna attach it just like so. 1, 2, just like so. So if we had both of them on, going just like this. And also, one of the nice things is a lot of times braces do not have Velcro aside from just on this one strip. So what's nice is if I attach this side here and then I bring the other strap down and around, I can actually attach it onto the other piece of Velcro. It is adherence, that way you can stick it onto the other strap itself, which is kind of nice. I do like that a lot. That's actually pretty smart. There are 2 different sizes, and it does have a lot of flexibility, so that way if you do get a size that's too large, you can adjust it with the strap so that way it does fit appropriately. One of the other things that I like with this too is that because you have Velcro on both sides instead of having Velcro on only one side, this is really going to stay in place. This is not going to move as you're moving around, as you're playing the sport. This is something that I would definitely recommend to my clients. That way they can have less pain, and that way they can get on with their day-to-day activities.